Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck in an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So, quick update, I'm about to leave this place. I'm pretty sad about it. Not as sad as I was when I started out the series, because I'm getting accustomed to knowing that I have to keep moving, I have to keep traveling, but I'm sad because, yeah, it feels like I'm meeting family members in the space of a day or two. The people over by Fisherman's Place, if you watch the last video, were completely accommodating. If I didn't mention it, I did get the meals for free, complimentary, and I'm super appreciative of that because it does help out. How does it help out? Now, for those who want to know, for every video I would tell you how much I spend. Sometimes I tend to forget, or I don't, like, I'm enjoying the food. I can't try to focus on the prices sometimes, but for every day I'm budgeting at least $5,000. So I intend to be on a 1 week stretch out here, so that was $35,000. Some of the more known places, depending on what you order, might cost you like $5,000, and smaller establishments you could probably be spending like $1,500 to $2,000. But sometimes I go overboard because off camera I'm going to buy coconut water, or I'm tipping people for certain things. I'm just buying different things. So yeah, two places that got complimentary dishes was from here and Italish, and again, shout out to those guys, because not only is the food complimentary, it's freaking good. So I'm happy. So right now I'm down to $10,000, and I have how many days? I have today, I have 3 more days out here, so that means I am over budget, because if I said 5,000 per day, so yeah, but we'll make it work. I'll stop at a couple of places where I won't go to the 5,000. And why 7 days out here? Because I gotta go pick up Jilly pretty soon. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this trip short and let that happen. Unfortunately, the bar isn't open as far as I'm concerned, so I might not be able to tell some of the people goodbye. But if you're watching the video, thank you so much for taking me in, for treating me with respect, and for making me feel just at home out here in Portland. And thank you for allowing me to steal some water as well. That allowed me to get a shower, and I have enough water for the next couple days. All right, let's head on the road, and hopefully where I plan to stop at has some good food and it's still open. Man, COVID really messed up a lot of these restaurants. All right, let's head off. So I just stopped at a place called Wild Ponies just now. Had a conversation with the owner, but yeah, if you guys are passing here, you can go check them out on your own. And they have pizzas and vegan food, but the things seem pretty limited there at the moment. Like a lot of the stuff that I'm finding, like they don't seem quite ready. I don't want to suggest to you guys, like, because I can easily come here and just say, okay, do this because I want to do a video. But I want, whenever you guys come here, people are ready for you, ready to serve you, you know, so that you guys can have as much as good of an experience like I did. So I'm gonna keep trekking down a little bit more. But yeah, most of these places, like, it's a weekday and it is it's quiet in a nice way. If you want to sit by the beach, that would have been just stellar. But yeah, so it seems like there's just tough times down here, man. But anyway, we're gonna move on to somewhere else, and hopefully they will be ready for us. All right, let's go. All right, so now we're at a beautiful stop called Culver's Bar and Grill. Unfortunately, Google said it's open at 10 p.m. to 12, which sounds a little bit off. I don't know if they're still open or not. Just to let you guys know, I am stopping like every 3 minutes. So the street food stops that I go to, they are not that far away. The other one that I went to just now was like 3 minutes from here. And yeah, I'm not sure if this place is open or not, but just to document it for people who always say, yo, you missed this spot. Sometimes I don't miss it. It's just because it's not open, so I can't film it. But yeah, hopefully if you're here and it's open and it's 10 p.m, then check them out. So all right, this is gonna be my last update to you guys, because I'm sure you're getting bored of it. I've been stopping at places, I've been passing places that seem to be invisible on the Google Maps. I don't know, you know. So I think I'm very rural now. I'm actually heading to Manchonil right now, so I'm just gonna follow the road. Anything that I see, that's what I'm just gonna stop at. I'll confirm with Google and see like what the ratings are like or what it looks like, but yeah, this is a waste of time. Just stopping and just looking out every 5 minutes or somewhere that doesn't even exist. Like I've said in previous videos, man, a lot of people start these restaurants and they just don't hold up, and I guess the pages don't get put down or something, and they're just still there. So yeah, I'm happy to do the hard work and do all the stopping and show you guys we're actually still going on. All right, I will be back when I stop somewhere because I'm getting hungry now. I haven't had any breakfast or anything, so I am hungry. All right, see you soon. Over and out. Serve. Now, cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plus $300, right? So that would have $320, $720.
Guys, I finally stopped at the roadside and find this gentleman here doing up some crab. Closest thing I see to like a little street food stop off. You see me? Him say it's gonna take about 30 minutes for the crab to be ready. You can get the prices from $300 to $400, so and $200 depending on the size. So for the smaller one, them. So we're in Manchonil still. I guess you're ready food up the road somewhere. Oh.
Right next to the restaurant.
Okay. So, but that's some crab more still, some real jam. Yeah.
And I put some big one in there.
That's vibes.
I have some giant one different from them. Them got 2 bigs. So I put them on there and fire. So your customer can get them.
Put together like $1,500 worth of crab.
Yeah, man. Listen.
So when you catch them on crab here?
Last night.
Last night?
Yeah.
Oh.
So we put them on. Sometimes I take them up for 1 part. I like how one thing.
When I jump out and bite off all my foot there.
I'm not off all them, man. Come hold him so he can't get it.
No.
So
see that, guys, they get some fresh crab here alive.
I change the water still. The water get dirty from here.
Yeah, for the clean it up.
Yeah, man, wash it off so and change the water. The more time you have to dig them out to get them. All night then come up on daytime. Like if water in them hole.
Then come out.
Yeah, because then can't manage too much of water in them hole. Then come out and take the sunlight and go back down.
So you find you sell a whole heap of crab down this side, or?
Well, sometimes business fast, sometimes slow.
Yeah.
So when nothing go on, we just carry them live go town, go sell to people and boil crab at town too.
Yeah, I'm gonna mention that because town crab move fast, you know, bro.
Through the country.
Yeah, man.
Sometimes people and boil and want a crab.
Yeah, down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So I have to just work by pass by some of the time. And 1 and 2 customers I have seen. I have a couple customers, about 110 customers seen. And I just have to boil too much. Have an amount of boil.
Yes, boil a certain amount and know so the rest will left back you just carry go town and make a money.
I really miss. I catch back every night, I catch crab, man.
Every night?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
What months of the year you find you catch the most crab then? May?
Well, after May. When I taste, like when the rain fall now,
yeah.
So you catch more. But when rain not fall, you not catch no whole heap of crab, you have to dig them some more time, no?
Oh,
so come out bad 1 o'clock or them way there. 7 o'clock I start hustle them.
okay.
See if I can pick up 1, 2 dozen, that's me can have something can boil, that's it.
Yeah.
So the thing go on hustling, huh?
And what the eye name?
Noel Salicon.
Norris?
Noel Salicon.
Noel.
Otherwise known as Bushman.
Bushman. So Noel Bushman. Anytime you guys passing through Manchonil around this time of year?
Yeah.
Should be so from May, June, July, August, you'd say?
Yeah,
you should be able to find him.
Yeah, man. Right to some mines, I'm going to do the crab, you know?
So from what age you start catching crab? And when you decide to make it into like a business, like you know, say boy, you can make some money off of this.
Well, you know, so me just start though.
You just start?
Since day them burn down my house, I'm come
Oh, no.
on the roadside, I'm gonna lead a little thing, you know. Because I have the link with me and them, I'm gonna get you it. I apply so I can get one if I even full fee for a house, you see me?
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So how your house
I
burned
like
down?
to
Just
leave the
accident?
market, I want to come back. Some bad mind smart not like to see how my house and I try to make it. Because I go talk among some friends and my house and try to buy a bike. And I have my own house already or something. So then bad mind when children come they can live there after me.
Mm-hmm.
And then like they want to take over a place, but I don't fight for no place. I cut left leg give them, you know?
Yeah.
I want to sit down on a place and say people in the good. Might as well left them.
Makes
Then
sense.
go and run down the land, you see me? Make sure stick up this, that's not drop down, you know?
Oh, so you have to put the stick them in there so the pot don't.
I feed down, it drop down and now hold it.
Or you know have a grill something underneath to hold
No,
it.
I don't put no grill. That's why I don't cold me I use. I have grill can put pan on.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this wood you're using is pimento wood?
Wild coffee.
Wild
I
coffee?
use them make fish pot, you know?
Wild coffee?
Yeah.
Wow, never heard about that before.
Yeah.
It can be, you can drink it?
No man, you bear some berry pan it and use make fish pot stick and pimento and guava.
Okay,
Mix
so
up, you know?
and here some I see you have some pimento leaf.
Yeah. And the season I use nice of a pot. Make soup and everything, you know?
Vibes. And the people in my community love the crab.
Yeah man. In time them buy crab then they always come back to make the crab them nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like which part you stay though? Like how you manage?
Uh-huh.
How you manage with all this now? Like no house and the food thing, like how you manage?
I soon line up something for me, I'm not going to try and save something out of the business.
Okay.
See if we can get to a house, you know? Yeah. Want to say, yeah, man, I'm coming more, yeah? Yeah.
They just come here from morning about what time you leaving at the night or
Yeah.
until pot done?
Night.
Night.
Sometimes 10 o'clock, I left there.
10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I done cook before that still. Don't sell off most time, I say 6 o'clock.
Yeah, for pick up my lunch in there, I can't make my lunch right away.
Why am I
Yeah.
wine like you realize I'm all going to pot?
Oh yeah, they know.
I'm smart. So I'm gonna try water, huh? Wash them off anyway and score. That's why them big one you like.
I normally buy them for support business still, you know, to be honest.
Yeah, true,
It's mostly the support thing, to be honest, still.
true.
But like
Some
my...
people you have in a vehicle that will like crap too.
No, sir. Just me, I look for something to eat and then, you know, see how I do this and...
True. I mean, you say good to give a zinc in your body.
Mm-hmm.
And only food is give zinc me, crap.
Crab? Really?
You know, banana give iron and all heap of things they say now.
True.
And I eat them still.
You know, eat crab?
So me a rasta, I just like catch them and sell them and boil them.
So for you, it's just like to make some food, make
Yeah.
some money.
True.
Interesting.
Hustling. I'm a
Yeah.
little hustling, you know.
Facts.
Instead I got trouble something for smarty. I plant my little ground, I go see now and then. But I mostly like do my little hustling, you know. You sure our money when you put on your pot.
True.
And sometimes I like make my tree gun off a crab more.
Nice.
Man, I do that come like my day pay when I work with somebody. Now you work with nobody. You have to do some site work, you mix malt up on site and you get 3 grand more.
So you say you make $3,000, which is like a day's pay?
Sometimes, yeah.
Sometimes.
Come like a day pay, you know?
And this you
sometimes business slow, I could make on 2 grand.
Okay.
And sometimes make on 15 too. So you have to just give thanks so you make based on where you sell.
True.
Like I say, you order on 15 days up. Put in some nice big one if I miss 4 bills. So I'm put line up 1 5 or so for you. And put one little one and 5 a big one in, isn't it?
You can't, I'm telling you, just give me. I still have pay the 15 bills, just give me 2 of them.
Yeah, 2 of them alone.
Yeah, two. You can give me like 2 big ones and a small one. Yeah.
I'm not waste them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More just a support me, I support your thing, you know?
Yeah man, no respect me, you know. People lost like woman on them, you know? A bigger woman on them with the head.
So you know, if there's a difference, sometimes you see the crabs them kind of red, sometimes them blue, them taste no different or just.
Okay.
You know, sure.
Probably a type of crab, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, some blue, like
some yellow,
some brown, some of them brown in them, but I saw them stay for them young. Yeah, some pretty and some, you know. One of them now have blue one time. Based on what type of bush they eat too. Probably make they have the color there. Mad man, I'm just put a couple more bush pan here.
Yeah. You normally had bananas in there.
Yeah man, I put banana and chop up all a dozen right here.
John, no, so you couldn't get a 2 banana man? Let me put in a pot.
Yeah man, me a banana man.
Yeah man, drop a 2 banana in a pot man. We'll show them style and pattern, you know.
True.
But you said that you used to put it on the stones.
Yeah.
But now you kind of upgrade.
Yeah.
So you have the cemented, the weld up and thing. Nice. You don't have to give me no more crab now. Whatever in pot make it stay.
So just put banana in there now.
Yeah man, vibes.
And that's alright, no?
Yeah man, me don't need so much banana. You can give me that.
No, I just put in there like
anybody else, okay.
And sometimes some people say, no corn and no banana can eat it, you know?
Oh, them eat it with it.
Yeah. Most time I use circle. Then boil the corn and put in a pot. I told me the crabs still on water going for Axel Street Lane, so I just come over and start leading the country, you know?
So you used to live a country at any point before you new to country?
Country, I told me born still, but me usually live out of my father did have a house.
Okay.
I can't go and sell it out. So that's why I come to country for live, you know?
No, but I mean like, your first time a country just decided to just come to Portland and that was that? Or you have family down here?
Adopt me.
Okay.
Grow me come from here, huh?
Okay.
So I'm 4 months old, so I come like me a Portland man.
Okay.
I'm born at home.
Okay, gotcha.
Couldn't tell nobody say I'm a town man, because I'm not grown here. I go visit now and then.
Nice.
My real family come from uptown, you know? Throw some more water upon it.
So this make it smell nice
Yeah,
and everything.
pimento
Pimento root.
bad season, and not soup and put them over.
And that you can get for free a bush, just
Yeah man.
easily.
So, you know, buy it.
Yeah.
All right, so it's always fascinating when you come to the smaller, the lesser developed parishes. Like just beyond me there, I can see like a post office and telecommunication office in one. So it's pretty small comparison to what's in Kingston. And yeah, so you can find where Noel's crab stop is. The link is in the description box, so you can find it. But if you're in Mansion Hill, it is across from the post office. And there goes the energy, Total Energies there, and then Noel is just right there. So yeah, for those of you who are interested to come here and just try some crab if he has any available. So yeah, we're just chilling out. Just up the road there's a little fried chicken stop, because really crab can't full belly. For me, crab is something that you eat for fun. So I'll have their fried chicken and curry beef. I don't think I'm gonna really film that. I was gonna have that for my lunch, but yeah, this is it. This is where I'm at. Chill, calm, quiet, Mansion Hill, Portland. So I'm under Noel's shack here, and this is helping me a lot, because trust me, in Jamaica now it feels like 95 degrees. Like I know it's somewhere around like 87 degrees Fahrenheit now, but it is super hot, so thank God for the shack. We're gonna be out here probably like about 30 minutes, he says, until the crabs is done, or whenever those what did he call it again, wild coffee sticks burn out, then the crabs should be ready. Yeah, but I was over the wholesale not too long ago, just having a chat to them. Funny enough, some of them are from St. Elizabeth, where I went to school. So yeah, of course I don't film everything, but yeah, really nice, cool, welcoming people. And I met with, I forgot, I think her name was Marcia. Like she wants to be on the video, but
So you say pepper don't used to get expensive?
Not really still, if you plant now coming but sometimes fall and come up on the back and catch cut up. Never one tree man, I'm a source and seed still, but I'm a bust up as yet.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm like farming, which part I live on the bar, I have around 15 or 18 tree. I have a man who live the bottom side on the beach. Up top of my yard, the man can go and country.
Eat down the pepper.
I tell them I eat them the cane and the pepper them, don't know how much in the pepper tree. I pretend say, oh, I don't want I feel no problem with you and your goat them, because you make sure you plant pepper and your goat there and pepper them. So I just look upon it saying bad man, you know.
But I realize you smile about a whole heap of things but that's it, negative.
Yeah. You can't afford to make them come in with certain vibe, that's you have got to do something for causing a problem.
Yeah.
Of course, if you go spend money where you have to go look where you not go down and half, you see it. So you better you just never bother pay them the money. You understand what I mean?
But
Avoid them.
I said to your side they say you have some pumpkin tree
Yeah.
and goat eat them.
Yeah, man, one time goat come over, man, have a goat, like around 20 goat, you see around 16 just come over, 20 mile long.
Yeah.
Then I like tie them in a rope. Then just want to raise them something that we they eat them anything for nobody. You see me, if you talk about it, then I hear then stop talking.
Yeah.
And them type person then still.
But you say you get pumpkin off it early.
Yeah, man, I reap 110 pumpkin off it.
But how much pound that?
100 pound, I check it out.
Eh?
Sometimes some we are 15 pound.
Nice.
Pumpkin we are 10 pound or 5 pound and them.
Nice,
Yeah,
bro.
man. Real. One time I reap 4 nice big pumpkin put in the shop there and sell.
Nice.
Real.
So you say normally you would like what you say though? You normally would get the produce from Kingston and sell down here, or get it from here and sell in Kingston?
Right, usually I buy pine, melon and sell here now. Real. Papa
Yeah.
and tie them out and sell on the front.
Okay.
Real. Kind of cool out now and then we do it. So I do the crab now.
Yeah.
Kind of do some kind of fun so that you buy there. You have it up in some kind of rat tree or fruit upon it. Like the pine.
Yeah.
A rat pine out there, I would put them around 3 days. You have to try to use them fast. And more time people now, the more to buy, no and then the fertilizer can buy 2 pints
Pine.
of it.
True.
Or piece of melon. You see me? So you have to just buy something that you know, say, then now go spoil for you quick for you lose.
And what you think down Portland here is the money maker? If for somebody trying to make it in life, what? Farming, fishing?
Fishing more pay, food sell to man, food and farming and fishing.
But you mentioned because your IDs burn up, you can't go do no fishing right now.
I would have to try to look about it, but I forgot to put it and pay on $3 and start it over. Yeah, but through me not to go regular, I see now and then might follow to man go try to pat back a rock, you see.
Yeah.
So through that, I need to deal with it still.
Makes
But
sense.
anytime I go look on the sea more regular, I have to go deal with it.
Sure.
That's me not a problem with them, you know?
Yeah, because you were teaching me that
Yeah.
identification is important out at sea too.
I really means.
Yeah.
I can save you, you know?
Yeah.
That's right about it. That's like, whoa.
I eat mine yesterday,
Yeah.
no? So I say in a bowl, you could have put mine in inside that bag.
Boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
That's alright, so I'm going to slap it down. So, she said she just gave me 20. Yeah, get one of my crab then. You love crab? You like eating crab? It's nice? You catch them? She did not. She put an extra $100 on the price.
You know what? You want this to see this? Stay with the weather. That's what watermelon
So how are you a sell the crab and me a buy a crab for you?
Well, crab in Jamaica is very nice.
It's very nice.
You got crab tamale, random crab, crab festival, crab water, and crab.
Ready for you now?
Yeah.
So which one that crab you buy? Crab what? Random?
No, crab wild.
Crab boil. So what happened to those crab on the top? They boil already?
Yeah.
And then water.
So why they on the top?
She shows a crab now, you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Advertisement, you know?
Advertising. But I've read the one I put, you. What price are they?
Oh boy, so alright. The first I'm gonna try the
Yeah.
I lie. I tried crab with green bananas before. Me and Raj. But it's not quite common that I see it this way, so this is the green banana in the skin.
Let's see what the 4 bills one. Yeah, man.
Hey, the banana.
That's a bad.
The banana, nice. You can taste the water nice because the banana does soak up all that saltiness. Not really tasting any pepper in the banana, but hey, I can't one banana, give me. I can't one piece of banana.
Get more banana.
Okay. Hey, two of them together is a bop, but
So the banana half ripe?
yeah, it's half ripe.
Yeah, nice of flavor,
Yeah, the banana half term, but it's nice, soft, nice. Oh my, I'm actually quite impressed with the bananas. No, I mean, you put the big one in for me, gear one of mine. Oh, so. Alright, so the crabs are not very spicy. That some people go after, but you can tell the crabs are fresh. Live, put right into the pot, that's very important. They get a nice fresh crab. I know we don't eat the shell. People ask me that all the time. Do you eat the shell? No. So the crab is nice. Just to give you an idea of the intensity, you can see the side of the pot. He put 6 peppers, he said. We all know for crab, if you want it even spicier, how it's traditionally done, you're gonna need probably like 15 peppers or so. But it's nice, it's fresh, it's cooked. But the banana was just amazing. Little crab meat. The only thing that's missing for me, more pepper. It's not overcooked at all. I'll tell you one thing right there, one. Look more pepper.
Yeah, I know, man, tell me.
Look more pepper. The pork one, the crab, them nice and fresh. Remember if you drop 2 more banana for me, you know?
Yeah, pot.
No.
Oh,
Let me play it. Just 2 pieces. Respect. Oh, why?
So buy a pair of support down. We have to put this and see.
Banana up in there, bro.
So banana need
Man.
wonderful taste. So like you eat some.
Mm-hmm.
Giant crab will come like you don't want food food.
Exactly. What's that?
I'm gonna get a knife and look at that push and this is one knife.
A good man. Give me a knife, yeah. That's fantastic. Alright, so he just got some napkins, so I had settled on giving him 1,500 before for, I think he's gonna give me like 2 big crabs, a medium and 3 small ones. So instead I just only took 1 big crab because I'm not really big on eating crabs, to be honest, and for me it doesn't really fill my stomach a lot. And so that's 1 crab, and I gave away one of the crabs to the ladies, so I gave him $2,500 so he could buy some of these napkins and stuff, and yeah, start on starting his sales for him. So that's gonna be pretty cool. And like I mentioned to him, just a little bit more pepper and that would just seal the deal. But fresh caught crabs, you're not getting any crabs that are passed away. It goes into the pot live, which is really, really good for the flavor. Anyway, I'm gonna get orange juice and then head probably down the road, get some typical Jamaican food, and yeah.
That's the next day though, I think Mr. for Ginger.
That's up to you still, I really feel start you start your seal. Didn't just see you like she alright, but
Yeah, she can go on the
yeah, sure.
Auntie, I know now I drink cold crab, but she's something.
Okay, I gotta give it to her, I call it auntie. Vibes. Alright, so just got the orange juice just now, and orange juice bigger than I thought. I'm glad this orange juice, I think this is about $200, so yeah. Good man. Sell your geese with that up to you. Yeah man, no problem. Ah, this is good. It's good.
Wow, there's something that I notice with people who are not in the best situations and they have a kind heart, is that they always give. So when I came here, I thought to myself, all right, I'm gonna spend $1,500, even though I'm not the world's biggest fan of crab. I'm a big fan of food, big fan of flavor, and showing you guys these amazing things. But then I thought, I was like, you know what? Why not just still spend the $1,500 and only take one crab? You know, that way he can start off the day, because I was obviously the first customer. Anyway, I took like a $400 crab, and a lady came and took probably like a $300 crab. So there we go. So that was a $700 bill. And I was like, all right, so $1,500, he would have some back. Then this lady pulled up, and then she was just like, she wants napkins. And I find in Jamaica, a lot of people sometimes they go, oh, I don't have any. And then the person would just have to do without. Now he went across the road, he got his napkins and everything. And I was just like, wow, how much for the napkins? He said $350. So I said, okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you $2,500. Now he goes, okay, so should I give, if Miss Ginger comes for more crab, that's a lady that I gave a crab to, should I give her more? And I was like, well, really, I want you to have it because, you know, it's gonna start you off with the business, but that's on you. Sell, give away, because really and truly, you don't give people things to tell them what to do with it. It's theirs. So anyway, there goes that. Now, my heart at the point in time I was saying, I want just give him $5,000. Now you guys know I only have $10,000 and it's supposed to last me for the next 3 days. But there's something that always comes to mind, and it's what I use in life. And I'm not telling that you should use it, but that's what I use. And it's, you cannot give away from an empty cup. Now, there's things that I do that I don't necessarily talk about because I don't want to be famous for, well, that's another topic, man. What I was about to say is I don't want to be famous because I'm helping people, to be honest. And that's because people tend to think that people of influence do it because they want more influence or to be, you know, be lauded. But then the other thought process is, what's the problem with that? Because if people of influence give, who needs to get something, they do get it, and then it influences other people to do it, right? So there goes that. Anyway, there's things that I do like off books. For example, there's a kid that did his CXCs but couldn't get his grades because he didn't pay the school fee. And myself and other people of the Old Boys Association have been, you know, sending donations to his account, you know, to make sure that the school fees can be paid and a kid can graduate and, you know, matriculate into society. You know, so there goes that. But the main thought I was trying to get at is, sometimes I find for myself, you just have to gauge yourself. Give, but give what you are able to lose. Because if I was in Kingston, giving $5,000 is nothing, to be honest. It's nothing, but there's no ATM around. There's really no ATM around. I could have like a flat tire. I could run out of gas. And guys, that's one of my biggest fears, running out of fuel. Like I remember one time leaving Montego Bay to get to Kingston. I was like, yeah, I can make it in a quarter tank. And then the light came on. I was just like, yo. Anyway, I'm alive. So, but that was a funny story for me. Well, scary for me. But there goes that. So yeah, guys, never be afraid to give, but always make sure that you give smart. Give to people that need the help, but make sure that you have enough for yourself that you can give to somebody else, you know, further down the line, because we need the givers to still be able to give, you know, to help the others. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna wrap this video up, man. I've been talking and just sharing things in my head today, and I really hope Noel, I hope I pass by here and he's okay, you know, because he's basically living in the shack right beside the food stall, you know, after everything, and he manages to wear a smile. And, you know, matter of fact, I forgot to say this part, he still gave away the crab. He still gave away the crabs to, you know, his neighbors. He said that, you know, Miss whatever her name is wanted crab, you know, and, you know, he just gave away. And that's just an amazing thing. Yeah, sometimes stuff like that make me want to cry. But yeah, I'm not that type of person to cry like that. Anyway, remember these few things: love, nature, adaptation, and let's end this video on a good vibe. Always remember to keep the link. Love. Alright, so quick update. Not even 300 meters down the road, there's actually an ATM. It's an NCB, but it's not working. So yeah, but for those who are around this area, an ATM is close by, thankfully. if it's working.